My love.
You're looking beautiful.
You can say that again. That's my baby. God of Emmanuel. Wait, you pour me drink?
Drink pour you, not me.
Hey!
I'm sorry. Now leg they pay me. No say. I said they come open our mom Jesus. Now mom Jesus.
Hey, Rover.
Hey, me I wake like me. I'm one of my own. But I don't enter inside water. I'm so sorry. No verse, sir. Sir, no verse. Now, body shake me. I never chop this morning.
Don't worry yourself. Find a way and make sure you dry this.
Okay, come and drive you up from head to toe.
You must dry this body. I see you're very stupid.
Okay, fast, come and drive
I see you're very stupid. Oh yeah.
Wow.
Oh yeah. Give me this. Come.
I should
Fast.
dry her.
Okay, come
Now.
and drive this thing.
No. Don't let me use this one.
Okay.
Now.
Hold on,
come.
let me go and bring
Come here. Stay here. Oh yeah.
Okay, go and bring something. Come and drive this thing up.
Let me look for something.
Okay, fast.
You want to go? You are allowed to go. Yeah. This one is not coming back.
Babe, calm down.
What's the meaning of this?
Babe, calm down. Babe, calm down.
No. What's the meaning of this? Does this man know who I am?
Butu. Just calm down. Okay, fast. What is this?
Not the word where they use dust stuff.
Okay. What is this? Hey. Okay, I'm going to drive from up to down. Oh yeah.
You catch me like this.
What's the man?
Okay, why are you like this?
What's the meaning of this?
It's the meaning of what? Okay, not build here and I say make I dry am from head to toe.
Does that give you the right to put hand in my woman breast?
Before I'm gonna prick, I go put. Okay, me take good to down. Not be hand I go use dry am. I been a leg I go use dry am. I beg you, check what can let me do.
Come. Are you well? I'm cooking to you.
Let me clean
Just
what
put
I
your hand in her breast.
Honey, calm down. Okay, drive me up from head to toe. Fast.
No, dry for what?
Why is it?
No, dry you up. You see him put him in your breast. That should dry you up.
Honey, calm
Not
down.
be me pour the tea.
Oga, dry me up. Oga, if you cannot use this, use your tongue and dry me up.
Women.
Why is some magaka?
I send you my hair like that.
You take it easy.
Oga,
Hey, take it easy. Take it easy.
Oga, put your hand inside and dry me up.
You see him?
Oga, dry me up fast.
Shut up your mouth now. What's the meaning of that? What is wrong with you?
Honey, calm down. He's the one that poured it.
No. Oh, you are lying. Give me.
Honey,
Let me use my.
No. Honey, wait.
Why? I want to call like him.
Oga, dry me up.
No. We are going why I horror. It's a dollar more carrier me.
Oga, dry me up.
No, you want him to put.
Oga, dry me
I
up.
can do this.
Well, you can't do it the way I pour it. Let me wait for the thing. No way I
Oga,
pour.
put your hand inside and dry me up.
And then maybe I can. Hey.
Oga, inside, dry it up.
Jehovah.
Oga, dry inside.
You go long.
You're welcome. Good to see you. Nice to see you. Yeah, okay. I've been following your Facebook. Following your.
I've been following you too. Let me finish with our money.
Did you hug him?
Oh yeah, hug transformer.
She's so kind.
Let me hug transformer. Oh yeah, it's so funny. Stop! Will you stop? You go talk to me. How do I look?
You're dashing. You look
You
dashing.
don't think this should be there somehow. Give me what you gave her.
It took her time.
You took her on the road.
I'm trying to assess him.
Let's try. This is
No, they have been here. I'm happy.
Yeah, oh yeah. I've been sitting
They have been
outside.
here. They have been here for a long time.
And I've been waiting to
now our mama be this, so we no get another one. Now our mama be this, so. I see him now our mama be this, so we no get another one. Now our mama be this, so. Ezinne Morani. Now our mama be this, so. If you show you kwi horombo. Nawa mama bidiso. Nne mụrụ ọra ka na-etu ya. Nawa mama bidiso. Onye nwere nne ya lezie ya anya. Nawa mama bidiso. Nneọma nwere ugwu aha ya. Nawa mama bidiso. Asị mụ na wadọgụ bidiso. Onye a bụ British Bulldog mụ ịkpa ya aka ọtagbuo oge. Nne m gwa ọ gara ha ka nkịta. You know what? This girl nowhere. Mommy, no. Chai, nice to see you.
Hello.
Hey, Chai.
Hello.
I am the mirror of your life.
Hello, Igbo. Hello, show me the number two.
Jambes. If you taste what you go for.
55.
If you taste Maggi, go for Jope. You can see the pot chop.
Your mind.
Okay, now you go.
Nzube.
Taste any of
No, you tasted Maggi before. No wonder.
Maggi not sorry.
Now, what say? Now, what say? What bed? I'm saying, back home. I'm so one the leg on. So they Jabez. Dragon.
How my name say?
Nana. You could 2 plate rice and you have long. Okay, RPM.
Okay.
Next in line.
Suto.
Okay, I feel by Suto. Yeah, indeed.
Guys, this is 4 a.m. We're still awake. 4 a.m.